雨の場合は教室で授業をします。場合は
In the event of. When describing a specific situation or condition that triggers a particular action or event.
このアパートには引っ越してきたばかりだ。ばかり
Only, nothing but. When you want to emphasize that something is exclusive or predominant.
日本語だけで会話しましょう。だけで
Just by. To indicate that a particular action or condition is sufficient for a certain.
雨が降れば試合は中止だ。ば
If, then. To express a conditional relationship, it's often used in if, then.
夕食の後で映画を見ようか。後で
After. Later. When referring to actions or events that will occur after the current time.
あまり肉を食べない。あまりない。
Not very, not much. To describe the degree or frequency of an action.
二人は来年結婚するらしいです。らしい。
Seems like. The Japanese word rashi is a suffix that is often used to express an inference, likelihood, or appearance based on external evidence or information.
私の家は高さは3階分ありますが、床は一つだけです。さ
Nominalizer for adjectives. The suffix sa in Japanese is used to turn an adjective or a noun into an abstract noun that represents the quality or characteristic of that adjective or noun.
君にどうしてもそれを言わせたかったんだ。させる。
To make or let somebody do something. The verb ending saseru in Japanese is a causative form. It is used to indicate the action of making or letting someone do something.
教師から叱られているときには、口を紡ぐものだということも知らないのか？られる。
Passive voice indicates the action is being done to the subject rather than the subject performing the action.